an emin, or when you do a work or a way, you don't start here. You don't develop essence first and then work on your personality. And then I won't give it away, but the trifold aspect, the quadric aspect, and the pentagrammic aspect, you start at the pentagram and work your way back up your own ray of creation. You got the dot here. You've got the line here. You've got the triangle at La. You've got at Sol, the cross, and Fa, the pentagram. Can you see this? I've
Yes.
gone from the shock, right, up. Humanity, that's the 6, you see, at the note me. What's card 6 in the tarot?
It's number 6 is the with the
Yeah.
6-pointed star
Sure.
life card. Yep.
That's showing all kinds of organic life, from
Yes.
the airy life to the earth beneath them, right? You've got the tree with the pears, or actually it's the fruit of knowledge, but the tree there. You've got man and woman, right? That type of thing. That is a representation of the microcosm, and it is coded with that 6-pointed star there. It's exactly what I'm talking about here. Microcosm, 6-pointed star. All right. But when you start an esoteric journey, you try and make the leap from organic life on Earth to the pentagram. Your maintenance life lives here at the note me with this 6-pointed star. And then your creational or your generative life begins at the note Tha, with the 5 actual planetoid planets that are visible. We'll disregard the sun and moon at this point in time, but the Mercury, Mars, Venus, Saturn, Jupiter. Or Venus, if you want to go in order, it doesn't matter, Aaron. I can go in order. Okay, it's all right. But yeah, you begin to get a planetary connection at that point. You begin, what do? I mean, you start an Eamon journey or a way journey by exploring your pentagrammic aspects, by exploring your thinking center, your moving center, your instinctive center, your emotional center, and your sexual center. That's where a journey begins, because what it does is it brings you over the shock of organic life on the planet to a all planets type of existence. Then you can truly say, I have a soul. All right, so we know what's pentagrammic in us, don't we? It's the soul, the 5 powers of the soul, guided by the planets. And the planets within us are the 5 centers that I just mentioned. What's 4 part in you? This would be the SOL, solar aspect. Aside from the structure, you showed up here as a pentagram, fully ready as a pentagram on this planet, right? You have 5 forces in you. In order to fulfill a destinic journey, what is the most fundamental thing you need? If I'm going to go on a journey and I start off here and I want to get there, what is the most fundamental thing I need? In other words, if we were to remove some aspect of the universe that would prevent me from getting from here to there, what would it be? Time. Time. If you remove the notion of time, nothing can move. This is why a photon sees everything instantaneously. It's because it's above. It doesn't have an aspect of time to it. We think it does because we look at Alpha Centauri or even our own local star and we go, 8 minutes. Right? What you're looking at there is 8 minutes in the past. Yeah? But for a photon, right, whose only existence is living at the speed of light, time doesn't exist. And you know this, right? I mean, from physics classes and Einstein's general and special relativity ideas is that the faster something moves, the less time it experiences, until if you were able to move at the speed of light, you would, time would stand still for you. Time, right? I need time to get from there to there. I have a pentagram.
Ah,
I can do it, right? But if I
Yeah.
don't have experience of time, then I'm in all places all at once. I can't make a journey. I'm everywhere simultaneously. Yeah. Um, so time to make a journey. Let's kind of break this down a little bit more now. To make a journey, whether it be physical or esoteric, first you need the equipment, which is your 5 expressions of the soul, which is represented in the 5 expressions of the body. You know, you can stand like a pentagram. You are a fivefold thing, right? But you need that aspect, and then you need time. You need time to be able to fulfill that mission. And this is why, in the realm of soul with 12 laws here, arrow, big fat arrow, okay? That way, actually. You see the sun as a rod through time because its realm is time. So a sun level development is really a development in the knowledge and ability to understand and manipulate time. That's a big step, isn't it? From going from your fully functional 5 planetary forces, which is why we work on things like Penn-Eman, for example, make sure the thinking center is running on the right fuel and doing the things it's supposed to do and not trying to take the work of other things. Same thing with the other 5 centers, right? You've got to do your pentalignment and pentapurging and get that pentagram going. That's a Fa connection, fate, fate. Once you cross over, then you've got fate working for you. Soul is your experience with time, your connection to time. You're granted by grace from the sun to be able to experience time so that you can